What's up, Easy Money fam? It's Ash. I had a great, fantastic weekend. Now we back at it. Just leaving Florida, coming off of FAMU homecoming. You know, I'm a proud alum. Had a time last weekend. It was great to be able to catch up with old friends, my family, and also see some familiar faces. So definitely y'all check out that video. Right now, I'm getting ready to fuel up for my next run. This next run is coming from Duluth, Georgia, and then we're gonna head all the way up to Findlay, Ohio. And so be mindful that I did head from Florida, okay? I did head it from Florida, and this load paid enough to be able to deadhead. So pretty much I'm gonna calculate in that deadhead. It's about 881 miles from Florida to my destination in Ohio, and I'm gonna place that into the rate. All right, so y'all already know it's time for me to go ahead and get to calculator, and I calculate it on the next screen. It was enough fuel also into the load before this to deadhead out, and I'm gonna calculate the two averages so you guys can see how much the profit was with the load coming in and the load coming out. All right, so y'all stay tuned, stay locked, stay positive, and stay prayed up. All right, you know the drill. About to get to the fuel, and I'm about to calculate it, and I'm gonna show y'all the calculation on the next screen. And that's my favorite number too, number 7. It's definitely gonna be a great week. Still hurting from all that walking. I did a bunch of walking over the weekend. Health is wealth. Health is wealth, y'all. Make sure y'all get out of the truck sometime and walk. Get out of the house sometime and walk around. What's this RV doing over here? I'm about to be nosy. That's a nice coach, man.
Thank you.
You living life on the road?
No.
No?
Oh, it's just vacation.
Yeah, vacation. Where
A
you?
lot of people that are full-timers, but I'm not.
Oh yeah. My grandmother was telling me about how she watches a lot of older individuals out here
Yep.
living in the RV.
Doing it full-time life. I don't do that.
No?
Not at all. I couldn't do
It looks really good.
it. It's brand new.
Brand new?
Brand new.
Did you rent it or you just bought it?
No, it's mine.
Dang, man, that's nice. Yeah, how many people can fit on there?
Just 4.
Just 4?
Yeah, it's just a 4 people. It's just my wife and I.
Oh, okay.
So whenever our son comes to visit, but he lives over in Montana, so.
Oh, way out there?
Yeah.
Okay. Golly. If you don't mind me asking, what you do for a living?
I work for power generation.
Power
I
generation.
run a business that does power generation. You know, generators
Yeah.
and high voltage stuff.
Okay.
That's what I do. So I risk my life for a living. Just like, very much like you do driving a truck.
Definitely. Thank you for
Anyway.
your time, man.
Yeah.
Take care.
You take out there.
Thank you. Oh yeah.
Nice, huh?
I like that. good to go. So we are fueled up and heading out. Time to hit the road. Did my screen crack? Oh, good thing I got this screen protector on here. Screen. I'm in the door though. And all for the sake of content. Screen cracked a little bit. I think this is the screen protector though. It's alright. Just got my paperwork. Want to strap it up there? Nothing. Dang, they got tracker numbers on me. My seal number. The tracker number. They got trackers on this product. I got a headache. They put electronics on my truck. They got trackers within the electronics. So it is what it is. I ain't tripping. I wasn't gonna take it no place anyway, but where it get delivered. Alright, so now that we loaded, about to hit the road. This load is super duper light. It's like 13,000 pounds. That's it. I'll take it. Let's head out. park my truck across the street. Walking over to one of my favorite spots, Marietta Fish Market, so I can have a good dinner tonight. Excuse me. Hello. Hey, checking in for a delivery. The delivery number is up there.
Just need your signature right here.
Okay.
So here's an app for you. So 271 will be your dock door. We are here. You'll drive around to the other side of the building. 271 is going to be here, but I'm going to have you drive down to the receiving office first. It's going to be between these dock doors. They need the folder. Let them know in the office, and they'll send the yard driver to meet you at your door, okay? He'll put the seal off. So go ahead and go there first. Give them the folder, be like, hey, I need help with the seal. And then head to your door, and the yard driver will meet you.
Okay.
Okay?
Sounds good.
Just read this over while you're back there. It goes over our checkout, and you're all set to go.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Hello. I'm at door 271.
Okay.
Checking in.
Alrighty. If you hang on to that, we'll give you a call when it's done.
Thank you.
Thanks.
Little dog. on to the next one. Hey, y'all, thanks for sticking around with me. I've been here for a little while. I'm at the Best Buy DC in Ohio. And yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, subscribe. Y'all been here, like. If y'all new here, subscribe. I would love to have y'all around. And just watch my journey. Watch my journey as we go through it in this trucking, all right? One foot in front of the other. Keep the dirty side down, shiny side up. Let's do it. One load at a time. Let's do it. One load at a time. Let's do it. Stay blessed.